Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kiara and thank you for joining. If you've caught up on my last video, you would know that I am very pregnant right now. So my content is all it can really be right now. It seems to be maternity content. Something I've missed during my whole pregnancy is wearing jeans. So this video is going to be about maternity jeans and just wearing regular jeans while pregnant. I have a couple of jeans in specifically from a maternity brand called Pink Blush Maternity. So I'm going to be trying those two styles and sharing them, reviewing them for you. And I have a couple of non-maternity brand jeans and kind of like what I'm doing to get around for wearing the current styles without it having to be a maternity jean. All right, so let's just get right into it. The first jean I'm sharing is this one that has, you've probably seen them, they're the most common that I've seen around. They're these jeans with bands along the top of the pant instead of your traditional like zipper button up. So this particular denim, and I found that a lot of maternity denim is going to be more of a straighter to skinny jean. I think that's maybe just more flattering on like a pregnant figure. These jeans have this little like slit detail here, which helps you get your foot in. Also looks kind of cute. But the main thing that we're looking at is this band. So this band is super comfortable. It kind of goes like pretty high-waisted and goes over the bump comfortably. So the bump has like a lot of space to, just spread out. Nothing's too tight. Baby is comfortable. So this part here where the denim meets the fabric is very low underneath your belly. So you have a lot of room. It is it's like a stretchy jean. These are very much like painted on skinny jeans. And I did have some trouble getting them on my legs. Like they definitely stretched over my legs, but I felt like maybe I should have sized up one more for the leg alone. The waist, the belly band, like everything fit me really well. I got my true to size pre-pregnancy. So I got my true to pre-pregnancy size, which is a size 24. And I think that a size 25 would just be easier to pull onto my body, especially when I have like a belly that I can't bend over and like get all the way. So it definitely took me a little bit of time to get into these. But then once they were on, they're really comfortable and they're stretchy and they don't feel tight. But I would be interested in knowing what a 25 fits like. So definitely keep that in mind if you're getting this particular pant. But overall, I liked that it was not a distressed jean, just like a really nice classic, simple, straight skinny leg jean that you can kind of wear a little bit dressier or very casual if you want. So the next pair of jeans don't have that belly band, and I actually really like these a lot. These are a lot easier to put on. It's the same brand, Pink Blush Maternity. I think I got the same size. Yeah, it's a size 24. So these ones don't feel like the leg of these jeans don't feel as tight as the other ones, but they're still a skinny jean. So the way these particular jeans work is that there's elastic material where the pockets should be on either side, here and here, and that allows for the band to expand with your bump and kind of give room for your bump like that as you grow. And then this part, the front and the zipper part, is kind of sitting below your belly button. It's a low-rise jean, so it just kind of like continues to expand that way as you get bigger. I really found these jeans comfortable to wear when I'm standing, walking around. Oh, they are distressed. So these particular ones were distressed, which is like a casual look. I'd only wear these like in casual situations. But I did find that because of the rise of this jean is set up this way to go underneath the bump and everything, I did find them to be way lower rise than I'm comfortable with, so I wear them with a longer shirt. The oversized shirts and tops are trending. I have a ton of them, and I feel really comfortable wearing these jeans with a longer shirt on that's like covering my butt. I will say that when I sit down, that's when I really notice that they're like low rise. I do feel like there's, maybe because there's so much flexibility here for the bump, that it does give even more when you sit down. So that's definitely something to think about when getting these jeans. Okay, moving on to the non-maternity brand jeans. Basically, I saw these hanging in the store in my size, in my true size. I was like, oh my gosh, if I was my true size, like I literally thought maybe I should buy those for like 3 months from now when I can actually wear them. And then I was just like, that's stupid. Or maybe it's not, I don't know. I just thought I'll just get the size that I am. I'm sure there'll be a new jean out there that I want in 3 months anyways. So I just grabbed a bunch of bigger sizes. Like I sized up a bit, like quite a bit from my typical size, from my pre-pregnancy size. And I just tried on a few in the change room until I felt like I found a very comfortable fitting jean that was going over my belly and not tight. And that I had a little bit of, and I even have more room to grow. These are high-waisted and they do rise. They are high-rise. They rise all the way up to my belly button. I love the color, so you can see that they look like a different size already from the jeans I was showing you. They are a size, so I got a size US 12 in these. And what I really love about them is the wash. Normal jean, all the pockets, the zipper, the button, and already said I love the color. I have this slit at the bottom of the pant, which I'm loving right now for this season. A very cool, effortless look. I'm seeing a lot of it, a lot of this type of jean all over my Instagram, which is probably why I wanted a pair, regardless if they would be in my size or not. And unfortunately, they just don't make denim like this for maternity. There's always the more traditional denim styles, but maternity jeans just seem to be less trendy and less like of the moment. I love how the slit looks over top of sandals. I love how it's like such a relaxed, cool vibe, very casual. And I'm here in Florida. It's like a very casual, beachy, like relaxed vibe, which I really like. My last pair of denim are denim shorts. They are not maternity. They are from H&M, just like the last pair of jeans were. And these jeans, or these shorts, I got them in a size 10. They're starting to get just a teeny tiny bit tighter, obviously, because they're denim and they're not stretching like the maternity jeans stretch. So that's kind of like what you run into, you know, when you're getting regular non-maternity clothes. So a little hack for making the jeans fit over your stomach more comfortably, because the main issue is closing, you know, this part right here and this tighter band, the tighter denim band. You take a hair elastic, it's stretchy. This one happens to be like in a very similar color to the denim, which is great. You take your elastic, you loop it through the buttonhole, and you loop one end through the other hoop. Not sure if you can see this, like that, right? The elastic onto the button. So you've made like a makeshift button loop, right? Some people do the safety pin thing. I personally don't want to have a safety pin like so close to my stomach like that. So I'm just not using it, and I'm wearing long shirts anyways, which is fine, like, so I'm fine with it. And that's how I make that denim fit me comfortably. I can bend down, I can squat, I can move around, I can sit down. So it's a really great way to still wear these shorts. I haven't found maternity shorts that I like. If you guys have seen any, you can send the links my way because I haven't found any. All right, guys, that wraps up my video. Thanks so much for joining. I hope it was helpful. Links to items can be found in the description box below, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be notified when there's a new video out. And for daily content, you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave that link in the description box below as well. Thanks for joining.